In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a zip file in Confluence. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a refresher, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. First things first, let's go ahead and navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is your starting point where all your projects and spaces are organized. Now, once you're on the homepage, you'll want to choose the space that contains the page you want to work with. Spaces in Confluence are essentially project or team hubs, where related pages and content live. So, selecting the correct space is essential to keep everything organized and accessible for your team. Once you've selected your space, you need to find and choose the specific page where you want to upload your zip file. It's crucial to ensure that you're on the right page to avoid confusion later on. When you're sure you're on the right page, simply click the Edit button. This will open the page in edit mode, allowing you to make the changes necessary for attaching your file. In edit mode, you'll find various options for adding content. For our task today, you'll want to look for the option to add an image, video, or file. Clicking on this option will prompt a drop-down or pop-up menu, giving you the tools needed to upload your content. After you've clicked on that, go ahead and select the Upload option. Clicking Upload will immediately prompt you with the File Explorer window from your computer, allowing you to navigate through your system's directories. From here, find the folder on your computer where your zip file is saved. Once you've located it, select your zip file for uploading. Make sure your file is saved appropriately, with a clear name, so you can find it quickly and avoid any potential mix-ups. With the zip file selected, confirm your choice by clicking the necessary buttons to complete the upload. After the upload is complete, you should see the file appear within your Confluence page editor. It's as straightforward as that. Just make sure to save any changes you have made to keep everything up to date and accessible for your team members. Having the zip file attached to your Confluence page can enhance collaboration and ensures all necessary documentation or data is easy for others to find. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to attach a zip file in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.